On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2019 Mesa Ridge 375 RDS by Open Range. This fifth wheel is perfect for residential living, offering a rear living floor plan with 5 slide-outs that really open up the overall space. As you enter this model, you'll step into the kitchen area. With lots of countertop prep space, a center island with double basin sink, tons of storage all around, and all residential size amenities, you'll have everything you need for any extended travel plans. The divider wall between the kitchen and rear living spaces holds the fireplace, soundbar, and pop-up TV console. The entertainment center is surrounded by 3 comfortable sofas, giving you plenty of space for all your guests. You'll be amazed by the amount of living space available with high ceilings and large slide-outs that give you plenty of room to stretch out while relaxing comfortably inside. At the forward end of the kitchen is a large frosted glass door pantry, and a small desk with overhead shelf and cabinet sit to the right. At the top of the stairs and to the left is the bathroom. There's a second private entrance to the bedroom just past the corner sink and mirrored medicine cabinet, and the shower has a built-in seat and skylight above. In the private front bedroom, there is a slide-out queen bed on the adjacent wall, with a mirrored wardrobe and washer-dryer closet along the front. There's additional storage cabinets above the bed and a dresser at the opposite wall. This uniquely designed Mesa Ridge travel trailer has all the spacious residential luxury you'll ever need for complete relaxation and entertainment on all your travel adventures. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more at RV Depot.